Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do an arm jive half Manhattan. Knowing how to do an arm jive would already be helpful. Knowing how to do a half Manhattan or a first move Manhattan would be helpful. I'll put links to those in the description below so you know you can go back and get them easily and quickly if you need them. But jumping straight in, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Obviously how many times you do the half Manhattan, the forwards and back bit, is up to you. We're just going to do a couple so you get a chance to see it and work it out if you need it. So breaking it down, we're coming off a travelling return the same way that you would get into the walk for an arm jive triple. So we go back, guys are getting out of the way to the left, we do a travelling return, we're sliding to pick up the other hand, we're driving through with the left hand to drive the lady's right foot back. As the guys do that, they're going to step forwards with the left, so directly in front of our partner, guys are left foot forwards, ladies are right foot back, and then we just rock through, guys right foot, ladies left foot, take a step back, just a small one, and then we repeat that. You could repeat that forwards and back as many times as you wanted, but when you're ready to finish, you go forwards, and as you come back, you bring the left hand up and flat, sending the lady into a turn, travelling away from you. The guys move out of the way to the left, and then it's a travelling return to finish, and you're done. So same thing from the other side, and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, travelling return 2, into a step 3, rocking forwards 4, going back 5, we're going to go flat on 6, turning 7, out of the way 8, travelling return 1 and back 2. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, arm jive half Manhattan. It's a back travelling return. We go forwards and back, forwards and flat, turn, out of the way, over the top and stop. That's it. Hope you find that one to be helpful out on the dance floor and good fun. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Music recommendation on the end of a track that would be nice to practice this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.